There's an old saying that floats around in the business world. You have to spend money to make money. It's catchy, right? But let's be real for a moment. Not all career investments are created equal. Some can genuinely skyrocket your success, while others might leave you wondering where all your hard-earned cash went. So, if you're in the field of management accounting or thinking about diving into it, let's talk about why investing in your career is not just smart, but essential for your growth. First off, let's talk about education and training. This is the cornerstone of any successful career, especially in management accounting. Think about it. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Whether you're picking up a new certification or attending workshops, every bit of knowledge you gain can make you more marketable. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about continuous learning. The accounting landscape is always evolving, and if you're not keeping up, you risk being left behind. Imagine this. You're in a meeting and someone throws out a term or a concept that you've never heard of. You can either sit there and nod along, hoping nobody notices, or you can confidently contribute to the conversation because you've invested in your education. That confidence translates into your work and can lead to promotions, raises, and opportunities that you might not have otherwise. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about networking. Networking, the necessary evil of the professional world. But here's the thing. Building a strong professional network can pay off in ways you might not immediately see. It's not just about who you know. It's about who knows you and what you can do. Attending industry events, joining organizations, and reaching out to your contacts can open doors you didn't even know existed. Think of networking as planting seeds. You may not see the fruits of your labor right away, but over time, those seeds can grow into significant opportunities. A casual conversation at a conference could lead to a job offer or a partnership that propels your career forward. It's not just about the immediate benefits, it's about cultivating relationships that can support your growth over the long haul. Next up, let's discuss the often overlooked aspect of a professional wardrobe. Yes, I'm talking about clothes. You might think it's superficial, but how you present yourself can significantly impact how you're perceived in the workplace. A well-fitting suit or a polished outfit can boost your confidence and make a lasting impression. If you're on a budget, start small. Invest in a few key pieces that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. You'd be surprised at how a little effort in your appearance can elevate your professional presence. And then there's the resume. Your resume is often your first impression on potential employers, so it better be a good one. If you're not confident in your writing skills or just don't have the time, consider investing in a professional resume. Writing service. A polished, error-free resume can set you apart from the competition and help you land that interview. Remember, in the world of management accounting, attention to detail is crucial. Your resume is a reflection of that. Now, let's talk about the digital age we live in. Having a professional website is no longer optional. It's essential. Whether you're looking for a job, trying to attract clients, or just want to showcase your work, a well-designed website can help you achieve those goals. There are so many user-friendly tools out there that can help you create a professional-looking site without breaking the bank. Your online presence can be a powerful tool in your career arsenal. So, how do we measure the return on investment for these career-enhancing moves? It's not always straightforward. You can look at the cold, hard numbers. How much you'll earn with a degree compared to how much you spent on it. For instance, the median annual wage for someone with a bachelor's degree is significantly higher than for someone with just a high school diploma. But it's not just about the money, it's about the qualitative factors too. Job satisfaction, fulfillment, and the opportunities that come your way because you've invested in yourself are all part of the equation. Let's break it down a bit more. When you're considering the ROI of your education, think about your current salary compared to what you could earn with additional credentials. If you're currently making $50,000 and could bump that up to $60,000 with a master's degree, that's a 20% ROI right there. And don't forget about the payback period. If you invest in your education, how long will it take to recoup that investment based on your expected salary? For example, if your education costs $10,000 and you expect to earn $50,000 a year after completing it, your payback period is straightforward, 10 years. But remember, that doesn't account for raises or promotions you might earn along the way. The longer you stay in your career, the more your salary is likely to increase. Another angle to consider is unemployment rates. Data shows that individuals with a bachelor's degree have a significantly lower unemployment rate than those with just a high school diploma. This means that by investing in your education, you're not just improving your earning potential, you're also making yourself more secure in an unpredictable job market. And let's not forget about job satisfaction. According to research, workers with a college degree report higher job satisfaction levels compared to those without. So, when you're calculating your ROI, don't just focus on the financial aspects. Consider how fulfilled you feel in your role. Make a list of what matters most to you in a job: salary, benefits, company culture, and rate each item. Compare your score to the average job satisfaction in your field. If you're above average, great. If not, it might be time to reassess your career path. Now, let's put some numbers to this. If you've invested in your education, certifications, and continuous learning, how does that stack up? Let's say you've spent about $58,960 on your education over the years, including degrees, certifications, and materials. But if you look at your earnings over a decade, let's say you've made approximately $997,000. Subtract your investment, and you're left with a whopping $938,040. That's a solid return on your investment. So, would I do it all over again? Absolutely. The investment in my education and career has paid off in ways I never imagined. The numbers are great, but the personal growth, the opportunities, and the satisfaction I've gained are priceless. In conclusion, the bottom line is this: investing in your career is one of the smartest moves you can make, especially in management accounting. Whether it's education, networking, or even something as simple as a professional wardrobe, each investment can lead to significant returns. So, take a moment to evaluate where you are and where you want to go. What investments can you make today to ensure your success tomorrow? Remember, your career is an ongoing journey, and every step you take can lead to new heights. So go out there, invest in yourself, and watch your career soar.